Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? Anchor were completely and the profit, but in last 3 days the coin were fails down. So therefore, I make this video for all my viewers, my subscribers, and especially for Anchor coin holder now. If you want to get money, my friend, and earn money in crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Anchor coin were completely and the profit, and definitely from last 1 month, my brother, especially Anchor coin will completely increasing, the price is increasing. But unfortunately in last 3 days the coin were very badly fares down, the coin were dumps down. So therefore I decide, my friends, to make video and research about Anchor coin to why they were fails down, what's the main reason, what's the main reasons about this, my friends, to the Anchor coin fails down. So I have found two reasons, my friend, and definitely, my friend, what expert says everything I will share you, but kindly you will need to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. The first reason is that, my brothers, to especially short-term investors starting selling. The second reason is that to every coin after a huge jump they were fails down, so therefore in last days the coin were completely going the moon now. So therefore when the short-term investors see the good jump, so they were starting selling. So therefore after a huge jump they were fails down. So don't worry, my friends, these two reasons, absolutely the main reason is that the coin were fails down. But don't worry, my brother, after a dump also the coin will fail the moving upwards. So therefore I will give you guarantee to Anchor coin will give you a profit at the end of month. So you will need to follow my instruction and do this. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, please like video and subscribe channel.